Hey everyone, it's McKenna here showing you how to DIY your own Christmas cards. As far as what you need, I have a piece of cardstock paper that I cut and folded in half. Now the dimensions for my card are 5.5 by 4 once folded. And then I have a piece of brown construction paper to put over top where I cut 1/4 inch off of each side. What you're also going to need is twine. We have one that is cut 10 inches in order to tie a bow around once the twine is wrapped, and your other piece of twine just needs to be long enough to wrap around the piece of brown construction paper 6 times. Okay, now to get started, we're going to take our brown piece of construction paper and a pencil, and you're going to want to trace out tree patterns. So, now you can use a ruler if you want, or just do it by hand, it's up to you. From here, you're going to want to grab your scissors and just cut out the bottom part of the card. Now there, so it gives the look of like Christmas trees. Okay, now you want to take your long piece of twine once you have it all cut out and figure where you want to start wrapping from, like what height you want it to be. And once you do that, you're going to want to switch this around to the back and put a little, let me get this going. There we go. A little dot of hot glue. And put the end of your thread in that. And just press it down with this so I don't get my hand burnt, because you want to make sure you're careful with the hot glue gun, because you can burn yourself and that's not good. You can just start wrapping. Now make sure when you're wrapping, you don't pull it too hard for it to bend the paper. You want it to be able to lay nice and flat. Now I cut it a little longer just to be safe, because you always want to make sure you have something longer rather than shorter, as you can take away but you can't add. Put a dot of hot glue there. Press that in. Let's stick again. There we go. And now you don't have to worry about the back, because this is going to be put on the Christmas card so you won't see it. See where you want it, get a good idea. And now it's best to put your glue on whatever is smaller rather than what's larger. So we're going to put some glue on the corners. Just make sure. There we go. And careful. And make sure it's even on all sides. And then press it down. So this is what we have so far. You're going to take your small thing of ribbon, and we are going to just loop it through here. As we wish. You're going to tie it in a knot. Make sure not to pull up and down, but rather vertical. Tie it in a knot, so when you make it into a bow, it'll go sideways, well, upright and not upside down. Then you can just mess with the bow a little bit until you get it to the shape you want it. just cut off the excess again, and there you go. You have your Christmas card, and you can write whatever you want on the end. It's super cute and very easy to do.